You can't wake up at 5 a.m. And no, it's not because you're lazy, undisciplined, or not built for success. It's because your biology doesn't care about your motivation. Let me explain, and then I'll fix it. Most people think waking up early is about willpower. Science says it's about circadian rhythm, your internal body clock. Your brain runs on a 24-hour cycle controlled by light, temperature, and habit. If that rhythm is misaligned, waking up early feels painful. If it's aligned, waking up early feels automatic. Right now, your body thinks 5 a.m. is the middle of the night, so here's how we reprogram it. First, sleep timing beats sleep duration. Studies show that consistency matters more than total hours. If you sleep at random times, your brain never learns when morning is. You don't jump from sleeping at 1 a.m. to 9 p.m. That shocks the system and fails every time. Instead, shift your sleep 30 minutes earlier every 2 to 3 days. This is called phase shifting, and it's how astronauts, pilots, and elite athletes reset sleep. Second, light controls wake-up hormones. Within 10 minutes of waking, your brain decides whether to release cortisol, the hormone that wakes you up. If you stay in bed, in the dark, scrolling, your brain stays in sleep mode. The fix? Light plus movement immediately. Open the curtains, turn on lights, wash your face. That single habit can reduce morning grogginess by over 50% according to sleep studies. Third, stop relying on motivation. Motivation is emotional. Sleep is neurological. Your alarm should not be next to your bed. When you stand up, your blood pressure rises, oxygen increases, and sleep inertia drops fast. That's not mindset, that's physiology. Fourth, caffeine timing matters more than caffeine itself. Drinking coffee immediately after waking can actually delay your natural alertness. Wait 60 to 90 minutes. Let your cortisol peak naturally. Then use caffeine as a booster, not a replacement. Finally, give your brain a reason to wake up, not a goal, a trigger. Same song, same light, same movement, every single morning. After 5 to 7 days, your body stops asking, "Why are we awake?" and starts saying, "It's morning." At that point, 5 a.m. doesn't feel hard. It feels normal. You don't wake up early because you're disciplined. You wake up early because your biology is trained, and that is how you actually fix it.